Hey, this is Taylor here at Truck World RVA. Today we're going to take some time and look at this 2024 Ford F550. It's a crew cab, powerstroke diesel, 10-speed automatic transmission with four-wheel drive, has just over 7,000 miles on it, an 11-foot Stellar TMAX service body with a Stellar 7621 crane, has one set of drawers, one set of bolt drawers, exterior and interior lighting throughout, hydraulic outriggers, hydraulic compressor, also has a 4-section lube skid, with 3 fresh product tanks and 1 waste tank. All the associated reels and dispensers are mounted over here on the passenger side of the bed. Very nicely equipped truck, basically has everything you would need on it except for a welder. Now if you do not need the lube skid or have a use for it, that is obviously something we can remove. These are mounted up top, just on this bracket up here, so those are very easy to remove if you wanted the space or wanted to put a welder up there instead. Now this entire bed has been sandblasted and repainted with new bedliner applied. It shows like new. We installed it on this chassis. New PTO and new pump were just installed with the body. Now obviously the chassis is still under manufacturer warranty. That's 5 years, 60,000 miles on the powertrain, and it's a 2024 with 7,000 miles. 77.8 hours showing on the hydraulic compressor. The goal of these videos is to show you everything about the truck as if you were here looking at it in person. So in the first half of the video, we'll go around the exterior of the truck. I'll point out any cosmetic imperfections that I find. We'll take a look inside all the compartments on the bed. Nice and dry, no rust underneath. All the bin floors are clean and free of rust as well. Bed floor is clean. In the second half of the video, I will do a cold start on the truck. I'll take it down the cul-de-sac quick. Then we'll look at the engine and run all the equipment on the truck. If you do have any questions, feel free to call or text 804-716-8487 anytime. Again, I try to be as thorough and transparent here to show you everything on the truck before you come and look at it, so you can make the best decision possible. So again, if there's anything that I miss or I go too quickly through, or if you just want some more information, just let me know. Power locks, power windows, and cruise control, steering wheel controls, vinyl seats and rubber floors. Obviously the chassis being 7,000 miles shows like new. 1 key for the truck. It does have remote start as well. 2 keys for the service body. All the latches on the service body operate as they should. They're all keyed the same, so the same key will operate all of those latches. Typically we put quite a bit of service and repair into the trucks we sell. Obviously this one being so new, didn't really need a whole lot of anything. So it's just oil change, fuel filters. We didn't do tires on it. They have 7,000 miles on them. Do have a little cut down here in that front bumper trim and a little scratch there on the left hand side as well. No damage to the hood, the fender. Obviously driver and passenger side doors are clean, really no dings or dents there to point out. Factory wireless remote for the crane. You have your crane control panel here that controls all the body lighting as well as the PTO. Center console is a jump seat, so this can go up. And there's a seat underneath of there. Now again, the entire exterior of the body was refinished. We don't touch the inside of the compartments, so it's just the outside. I had some time to do this video today, so keep in mind this truck is still in for final detail. We will get the inside of the compartments cleaner than what you see. But again, bedliner on the front of the bins, and then all the paint shows like new all the way down the body, so it really does match the truck. This is your torch compartment here, so you have your bottle racks on the right hand side, and then 2 sets of shelves on the left hand side. Passenger second compartment here. A couple more sets of shelves inside this compartment. You also have the interior tabs, so you can move these compartments, or these shelves, I'm sorry, up and down. Add more shelves in as you like. Passenger wheel well compartment has one wide shelf over top here. Again, interior LED strip lighting throughout the compartments. A little bit of mud and dirt caked up in here, but once again, there is no rust on the body. I don't know if I can snake my hand up in there. Just to show underneath the bed as well. It's about as good as I can get it. It's a little tight. This crane compartment here, you have a used filter box, your diaphragm transfer pump down here, outrigger control levers as well. It's a Stellar 7621 crane, so it's a 7,500 pound maximum lifting capacity, 2-stage hydraulic extension out to 21 feet. You have the master twist locks here on the body, so you can push this down, put a padlock through it. You can lock all the doors all the way down at once. Rear LED work lighting. Again, hydraulic outriggers. The crane side extends, the non-crane side does not. I do have a new latch coming for this bumper compartment. Actually, this one and the one on the other side. It's just a little loose there. It does close, but it doesn't really hold. So there is a new latch coming for that. And for the other side is just missing its bumper compartment latch. Tow hitch receiver on the back. Inside the bed, you have your factory tie downs. All your reels and dispensers are up here. You have your waste tank on the left, and then your 3 product tanks on the right. Coming around to the driver's side of the body. Driver rear compartment has 2 more sets of shelves. Driver wheel well compartment has 1 wide shelf inside of it. And driver 1 and driver 2, you have a nice double door compartment here. So on the left hand side, you have a full set of American Eagle twist lock drawers. All of these slide as they should. You have your body manual there, a set of bolt drawers over here. So a lot of organization all the way around on this body. That about wraps up the cosmetic portion of this video. I'm gonna hop in the truck and take it for a quick spin. Like I said, when I get back, we'll look at the engine and then I'll run all the equipment on the truck. If you have any questions, it's 804-716-8487. Remote start, put all the windows up here. $71,65 total miles. Take a look at the engine hours as well. 469 total engine hours. Again, still under factory warranty, brand new PTO and pump just installed. Plenty of power, rides down the road super nicely. Tracks straight, brakes feel good. That's just some residue up there on the windshield. Looks like they had a transport tag, easy pass, something like that up there, so we can get that residue off the windshield. Just some adhesive. So again, tons of power, gets up to speed nicely. Got all the way up into 8th gear just on that short little run. I'm gonna back it up into its spot up here and then we'll take a look at the engine. Parking brake is set, PTO is on. Crane is run off a Stellar factory wireless remote, fully proportional off the trigger that controls the speed. Again, it's a 7621, so 7,500 pound maximum lifting capacity, 2-stage hydraulic extension out to 21 feet of reach. Super smooth operation across all functions on the crane. We'll run it out to its full extension and then run it all the way back up in the air. Test the 2-block here. Locks me out of going any further when I hit that bracket. That is all the way out to the full extension. Again, 21 feet of total reach. Inner boom is nice and clean down both sides. Plenty of thickness left on those wear pads as well. zero slop in that rotation gear. Wherever you stop it is right where it stops. The compressors also run off the remote. You just pull down on the auxiliary function switch here, that bottom switch. The compressor comes on. Pull down on the switch again and it turns off. Thanks again for taking the time to watch this video. Again, it's a 2024 Ford F550, 7,000 miles, crew cab, four-wheel drive, full 3-section fresh, 1-section waste, 7621 crane, really well-equipped truck. If you have any questions, feel free to call or text 804-716-8487. If you're looking for something different, slightly bigger, different setup, give me a call. I get new trucks in on a daily basis, all different sizes and classes, all different sizes of crane. Just let me know what you're looking for. But again, this is Taylor at Truck World RVA, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video.